Namaskar. I love to dance. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I love to dance. I dance. I enjoy dancing. Joy is so spiritual. Your soul loves joy a lot. I do dance because I love to dance. You know, I love the way it makes me feel. Dance gives me pleasure. And when I'm dancing, I forget about everything. When I'm dancing, I will create so many beautiful things through dancing. So many beautiful energies, so many beautiful ideas for art, for so many beautiful things. And also, I forget about the idiots. You know, they're going to see what they want to see. People always judge. Yeah. And even if I completely changed everything, they won't be happy. They don't want me to change. They don't want me to be happy. What they want me to go away. Yeah, but I'm here. I am here. I am happy. I'm not going anywhere. And I am here. So, dear Unique, go on. Don't give up. Do not give up. Love you. Love yourself. Okay? Dear Unique, always remember you are unique and there is only one you. Okay? If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.